Imagine a world where software writes itself. AI agents are reshaping the landscape, making this a reality. From coding to deployment, these intelligent tools are revolutionizing how developers work, offering unprecedented speed and efficiency. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI agents like GitHub Copilot are already making waves. They assist in coding, testing, and deployment, reducing human error and enhancing productivity. These tools are not just futuristic concepts, they're actively transforming the industry today. AI agents boost development speed and efficiency, allowing developers to focus on innovation. By automating mundane tasks, they free up time for creative problem solving, making the development process more dynamic and less error-prone. These agents work tirelessly, ensuring round-the-clock productivity. They spot bugs and vulnerabilities that might be missed by human eyes, improving software quality and security. The future of development is a seamless blend of human creativity and AI precision. AI agents are already in use, with tools like AWS Code Whisperer generating code recommendations. Imagine a future where AI agents create fully autonomous applications, crafting entire projects based on simple user descriptions. The potential for hyper-personalized development environments is immense. AI agents will tailor coding experiences to individual preferences, while multi-agent collaboration will mimic human teamwork, enhancing productivity and innovation. To thrive in an AI-driven future, developers must learn to collaborate with AI tools. Understanding their capabilities and limits is crucial, as is prioritizing ethics and data privacy in development. The future is a partnership between humans and machines. Join the AI revolution today. Embrace these tools to enhance your skills and stay ahead in the industry. By collaborating with AI, you'll unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency, shaping the future of software development together.